sasabihin ko.
Ayun po, unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko po magpasalamat po sa lahat ng tao dito. Gusto ko po magpasalamat na pumunta kayo dito para supportahan po yung pelikula natin. And sana po ma-enjoy po natin yung movie. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayong gabi. After the film, I'm very sure na maiiba ang tingin nyo kay Robin at Angela. Mahuhusay na artista, wala akong masabi, lahat ng review ay positive. Kaya salamat sa pagpunta.
Should I say the long message now or save it for later?
It's now.
It's now. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here. Tonight, my heart is so full and I just have a lot to thank for. First and foremost, kay God. Thank you kay God dahil endless yung blessings na binibigay niya po sa akin, yung guidance niya. And I'm just so grateful to Him for bringing these beautiful and amazing people into my life. To Viva, to Boss Vic, for seeing the potential in me and believing me, for changing the trajectory of my life. I'm eternally grateful to you, Boss Vic. Maraming salamat po. To Boss Veronique, who is like our mother, who never fails to guide us in everything that we do. To Boss Vincent, to Boss Val, to all the Viva bosses. We wouldn't be standing here without your trust. So thank you so much. To my family, my papa, my mom in heaven, my lolo in heaven, my egg, and to everyone else who I love, my kuya CJ. Thank you for being my home. To my friends who have never left me since day one, I love you. Thank you so much. And there's just a lot in my head. Thank you to my Viva mommies, my Mama Barbs, my Mama Pao, Miss Neat, Sir Jean, I don't know if I forgot someone, Miss Sydney, my Viva Beauty family, thank you so much po. And to Direct Chris, thank you for believing in me when I couldn't believe in myself, for bringing out the best in us on set. Thank you so much po to Direct Jack, Direct MJ, Miss Chrisma, to my co-actors, Miss Candy Pangilinan, Miss Lorna Tolentino, Albie Casino, and the rest of our co-actors. And Viva Films, thank you so much. To the team behind A Werewolf Boy, this wouldn't be special without you and your hard work. Thank you so much po. And of course, to my leading man, Robin, thank you for being my strength and for walking this journey with me. And of course, the fans po namin, Jalobs, Tabins, and Rabjals. Thank you so much po. To everyone here tonight who made an effort to come here and support us, we are so grateful to you. Thank you so much po from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you again and enjoy the show.
And Direct Chris, I think you want to
Gusto ko lang
invite?
tawagin yung lahat ng production staff ko, sila Chrisma, sila MJ, sila Jack, lahat po ng part ng Aurora Boy production staff and post-production. Punta po kayo dito. I want to see all of you.
Yes, and of course, we'd like to call, of course, we have everyone here, Miss Candy
Pati yung ibang
Pangilinan,
cast din.
Sir
Guys, let's go,
Jeffrey
guys.
Dago, Anika Cole, Miss Angel Raimundo, Rafi Tejada, Onel Torres Boas, Mariano Francis Mata, Simon Ibarra, Omar Flores, Ruslan Jacob, Luna Amor Buniac, Louis Manansala, and Kanye Avendaño. Would like to call in all of you, the cast members who are here with us tonight, and of course, the staff and crew and production of Werewolf Boy.
Sila Joshua, sila Ulap, sila Meg, asan kayo? Gusto ko lang i-present sa inyo yung gumawa ng A Werewolf Boy, everyone.
Yes, hindi mabubuo ito kung hindi dahil sa kanilang lahat.
Chrisma, si MJ may DOP, si Ulap may script continuity, si Joshua may second camera. Pasok po kayo. Sige. Ito sila, Anika.
Anika?
O'Neil, Christian P, Angel, Kuya Rafi,